How to add Gmail in Facebook. First open Facebook, and once you're in Facebook, what you have to do is just basically go to your profile. Once you're here, just press on the gear icon on the top. From here, go to your account center, and now you gotta press on personal details. Once you do this, go ahead and press on your contact info, and now you just gotta press on add new contact. Once you do this, you'll be able to see two options right over here, but you gotta press on add email address. And now you basically have to enter the email address that you want to add. So for example, gmail.com, and just like that, you just need to press next if it's a valid email address, and it will just add into your Facebook. So yeah, this is it on how you can add Gmail in Facebook. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and goodbye.